Hi guys, this is my first day with Mycroft.AI and I'm just playing with the basic skills, and here is the list of some basic skills which it comes inbuilt. And see, there are lots of skills which are already there. One of the skills is your desktop launcher. So that desktop launcher, it allows your Mycroft to open whatever applications you want it to open. So for example, the Firefox. So this video we'll just try to open the Firefox. We'll say, hey Mycroft, open Firefox, and it should open the Firefox. And this is by the way Chrome, and I have muted it so that he will not listen. Now I'm unmuting it, and this is the debugging window. We'll probably see how it recognizes and opens. And here, if you'll see, my Firefox is closed, it's not open. Now let's ask him to open it. Hey Mycroft, open Firefox. Ta-dang! Firefox is open. Super. Let's see whether Mycroft is able to open any other application. Hey Mycroft, open terminal. See, a new terminal is open. Very cool. Hey Mycroft, open file browser.
Sorry, I couldn't understand that.
That is because there is no application called file browser. It's Nautilus. So probably we'll ask him to open Nautilus. Let's see whether he opens it or not. Hey Mycroft, open Nautilus.
Sorry, I couldn't understand that.
Nautilus is also not there. What is the name of this file browser? Hey Mycroft, open Home.
Sorry, I couldn't understand that.
Okay, sorry, I have to, I think, speak a little bit more clearly. Hey Mycroft, open Android Studio. So it recognized it. I'm not sure whether it will be able to open or not. Aha, Android Studio, super. And what I noticed is that these skills which they are saying as core skills, and they are saying that it is by default, I think that when you download the source code, most of the skills are not there. Because when I said open Firefox for the first time, it didn't open. Then I told Mycroft to install desktop launcher, and then it did. It installed the desktop launchers first.
Just one moment.
See.
Sorry, I could not find a skill matching XApp launcher.
Okay, let me mute it, otherwise whenever I will say Mycroft, it will listen. Okay, so here's the point, is that if there is no skills listed in the core skill, if that skill is not working, then you can say that hey Mycroft, install say for example desktop launcher. So it will actually install the skill automatically, and the next command you can say, and it will work. So this is also one of the skill, that to install the skills. Okay, I think that is enough for this thing. Let me explore it more. If anything worth sharing, worthwhile, then I'll make another video. Thanks.